is to lay on this side facing me. Scoot all the way closer to me. Closer. A little more. This part. Okay. Kind of take this on out from under you. Yep, and you're just going to lean back. Just like that. You're going to give yourself the soft hug. And give me this knee. All right. Excellent. So you're going to lean back and look over your top shoulder. Yeah. All right. Take a deep breath and blow all the way out. One more time. Let me have it. Let it go. Good. All right, lean back for me. Get a deep breath in. All the way out. Let me have it.
I felt that one.
Lay on your stomach.
Lay on my stomach.
Even.
Huh?
Even.
What's that?
Your legs are even. Okay. Take a deep breath in and blow all the way out. One more time, deep breath in and blow all the way out. Good. All right, pick your head straight back. Pick your head straight back. Let it fall. Drop the shoulder. Deep breath in. Out.
Oh.
Head straight back. Let it fall. Deep breath in. And out. Good. Okay, go ahead and flip over on your back. Okay. Drop this shoulder.
Oh. Okay.
Deep breath in. And out.
Oh. Okay.
shoulder issues?
No.
No?
No.
You sure?
Pretty sure. So what?
Always remain far. Let this hand fall by your ear. Push it up a little more. Let it fall right there. Just relax it, okay? Good.
Are you
To
Tim?
take your hands and put them behind your head. Interlace your fingers. Okay, just relax them. Fall back on me.
Okay.
Good. Deep breath in. One more time. Deep breath in. Stretch, let it go.
Ah! Oh, wasn't ready for that one. Oh. Ow. Oh, wasn't ready for that one. She caught me off guard. Caught me off guard, London.
What's that?
She caught me off guard with that one. I wasn't ready for that. I thought it was
What's
a
that
stretch.
mean? I'm gonna sit here.
I'm gonna adjust your ears, okay?
I'm gonna sit here.
Oh, wasn't ready for that one.
Do you want a pillow?
No. I'm okay. Oh,
You can lay down the pillow.
thank you, boo boo.
I'm gonna touch your ear, okay? Just a little double pull, lay your head towards me. Okay. And same thing. Just let it fall. There you go. Your wife's popped like crazy.
You can have some.
Huh?
You can have some.
Yay.
But
Can you open
bend
it?
your knee and let it fall just like that.
Is it grandma drink?
No, you can have some.
Okay. Switch this side. Yes. Did it hurt?
No?
Tommy.
Good. There we go.
You heard something?
Hmm?
So you heard something?
Mm-hmm. Stand up, stretch it out. What shoes do you wear on a normal basis?
No,
Or
Mason?
you just kind of, you switching them out constantly?
All the time. Different shoes.
Do they have arch support in them?
Arch support?
Or are they just,
Some type of shoes, I don't know.
any of them sneakers? Like,
I wear all different types. Is this the type I should be wearing?
what kind did you wear last night?
Dior's.